Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2019 Case IH 8250 axial flow combine. This machine's got 855 engine hours, 625 separator hours. We sold it new to some guys, a guy over just east of Janesville, and he owns two of these. Probably runs, I don't know, 2,500 acres of corn and beans, and so this combine is not used very hard. Well, 800 divided by 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, didn't run in 24, so 5 years. You're talking about less than 200 hours a year. It does have harvest command, 620 42s. I did look inside here, and everything is original on this. It's the augers are the original augers. The clean grain elevator, that's the same, or that's the original one. We'll open up here and take a look at the cone, and it's an original cone. There aren't any holes on the outs or on the edges here, but you can see one little spot starting to where was it, creep in here. Very minor, but its destiny will eventually prevail. We'll take a look to make sure it's got an AF2 controller. It's got the receiver, Pro 700. It is a two-wheel drive. There's the AF2 controller. Fore and aft on the feeder house. The chain floor, that all looks fine. We'll take a peek here at the rock trap. I don't know. I think Ben just came over to look to see if there's any blades that are bent, but the outside is very nice. The folding auger works fine. Power fold covers. I did climb up in the incline delivery auger. That looks fine. There's no holes on the outside of the auger or the trough. Just a wedge free cab. Pro 700, of course. There's the triggers or the switches for the auger and for the power fold covers. Diff lock on it. Now I'll have the original invoice posted at the service log on the website, so if you want to see how it was with the original build sheet on it. There's the hours, 8:52 over 6:23. So that's what I know about this combine. I appreciate you watching the video. Thank you.